The story of us, the origins of race, how humans became different. We look different, but we are all the same species. Here is how thousands of years of migration, sunlight, and adaptation shaped the faces of humanity. Skin tones, eye shapes, hair textures. These are not signs of separate races. They are ancient clues written on our bodies, telling the story of how humans adapted to diverse environments. Our story begins in Africa, the birthplace of modern humans. Fossils and DNA evidence suggest that Homo sapiens first emerged across Africa roughly 200,000 years ago. Then, between 50,000 and 70,000 years ago, small groups began to migrate, leaving Africa and venturing into unknown lands. Unknowingly, they were starting the greatest journey in human history. As humans spread into new lands, the sun became one of our greatest sculptors. In regions with intense ultraviolet radiation, such as Africa, dark skin evolved over many generations to protect against sun damage and folate loss, essential for healthy development. In colder, low UV regions, lighter skin evolved. This allowed the body to absorb more sunlight and produce sufficient vitamin D during long, dark winters. This environmental pressure, acting over thousands of years, created the range of skin tones we see today, not separate groups, but adaptations to local climates. Climate shaped more than skin. Nose shapes adapted as well. Research shows that in warm, humid regions, broader noses help cool and humidify incoming air, while in cold, dry regions, narrower noses help warm it before it reaches the lungs. Eye shapes also show adaptation. For example, the epicanthic fold, common in East Asian populations, may have provided some protection against cold winds or glare from snow. Its exact evolutionary origin remains debated. Hair texture adapted to climate as well. Tightly coiled hair can reduce heat gain in hot environments, while straight hair helps retain warmth in colder regions. Even body builds evolved. Shorter, stockier bodies conserve heat, while taller, leaner bodies release it efficiently. But here is something remarkable. Genetically, humans are over 99.5% identical. The differences we see are largely superficial, influenced by only a small number of genes. There is often more genetic variation within a single population than between two populations. For instance, someone from East Africa may differ genetically more from someone from West Africa than a European differs from an East Asian. This is why modern science does not speak of biological races. Instead, researchers describe populations and ancestry, emphasizing that human variation is a continuous web, not separate boxes. From scorching deserts to icy tundras, humanity adapted, thrived, and changed, not into separate species, but into different expressions of the same incredible story. Our differences are not walls. They are the footprints of journeys our ancestors took tens of thousands of years ago. When you look in the mirror or into someone else's eyes, you are seeing a living map of human history. One species, infinite variations.